Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up XOP saddle. Firstly, inspect the saddle and familiarize yourself with its components. Now, put the saddle on and like a harness, tighten the waist strap snugly around your waist. Adjust the leg straps for comfort. The saddle should feel secure, not too tight, but snug enough to prevent the movement while sitting. The bridge is the primary connection between you and the tree. Attach one of the end to the bridge and loop on the saddle. The other end of the bridge will attach to the climbing system. Adjust the length of the bridge according to the preference to ensure the proper angle when sitting. Set up your climbing sticks or ladder leading up to the tree. Make sure they are secure and at the correct angle. Tie the safety rope around the tree or use a rope with a prusik knot to ensure that you remain safely attached to the tree. Use your climbing sticks or ladder to climb the tree, and once you've reached the desired height, sit in the middle saddle. You should be able to adjust the seat to your comfort. Make a small adjustment to the waist and leg straps for a more comfortable fit. Ensure the saddle fits snugly and securely without causing discomfort or restricting circulation. Before settling in for the hunt, ensure all straps, carabiners, and ropes are securely attached, and gently move around and to ensure the saddle remains stable and comfortable. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.